From Rich TV Live, and we have some big breaking news for you today about NG Energy International Corp. Now, I actually haven't talked about this on Rich TV Live yet. However, our trading club has been aware of this pick for months when it was actually around $1, and the symbol is GASX in Canada, GASXF in America. Put on your watch list, put on your radar. They have big news today, and we're going to break it down right here, right now, live on Rich TV Live. Now, before we go anywhere, you guys got to smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything we talk about or discuss here on Rich TV Live. In saying that, I think this is huge news. Our community is very aware of this pick, and there's some big players involved like Frank Justra, one of the biggest names in the mining sector, and he's a billionaire, and he's behind this deal. So we really like this deal. Good morning, Amanda. How you doing? If you guys have any questions, put it in the chat. We are live and interactive. I know it's early. It's not even 6:30 in the morning here on the West Coast, but the early bird catches the worm, and we got some big news on NG Energy International Corp today. I call it GASX, GASX in Canada, GASXF in America. Put it on your radar, put it on your watch list. We think it has a chance to be a big winner, and our members got in at around $1.10. You know what? I'll show you guys the chart. We got in at around $1.10 in Canada. It went to over $2. It's come back a little bit. We're going to talk about that. We'll go through the chart. But first, let's look at the news. All right, and I want to show you guys their website as well. So this is their website at NG Energy. So it's NG Energy INTL for international.com. NG Energy INTL.com. Fueling Colombia's clean energy transition. You can see our company, our assets, investors, news, and contact information, and you can view the investor presentation. I'm not going to go through all of that right now, but what I want to do is I want to go through the news today, and the news is quite big, so let's just go through that real quickly. So NG Energy provides update on the development of CNU 9. So what I'm going to do actually while we're live, I'm going to pull up the chart. Let's pull up the chart. I'm going to stop screen sharing for a second, and then we are going to pull up the chart. I want to show you guys the chart, and who knows, maybe this thing moves while we're live. So here's the chart. So this is the NG Energy chart, and you can clearly see that this has been trending up. I'm going to show you guys where we marked it in Canada and the United States and where we are right now. That's the Canadian side. So that's the Canadian side. And the US side is GASXF. You can clearly see, let me just clear this up. We've been marking this up already. So let's just clear this up and let's just look at 1 year. All right, so this is the US side over the last year. And let's scroll up here. And we're going to build a trend line here as well. So you can see it's trended up from 55 cents to where it stands at $1.34 in America. So trending up in Canada, trending up in America. Now, where we told our community about this was right at about $1.10. So right at about $1.10, right around here, is when we first told our community that we liked the deal. And after that, it went up and it almost doubled. It went from 110 to a high of just under a double, about 210. Went to a high of about 210. All right, so we've seen it go. When we told everyone about it first, it was about 110. It went just over a little over $2, went to about just under 210, and you can see the trend has been up. And in America, same thing, the trend has been up. So we'll keep this live. while the market opens. And I want to break to you guys the big news today that's trending right now. Mike says, good morning. Thank you, Mike. Good morning, everyone. And if you guys have any questions about GASX, please put in the chat and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. So here's the news. NG Energy Corp, GASX in Canada on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange, GASXF on the OTCQX exchange in America, is pleased to announce that as part of the recently announced environmental license, the National Authority of Environmental Licenses, ANLA, has approved the company's petition for the drilling of 22 wells and the associated work for the programs for the construction of associated surface infrastructure, including roads and pads for those wells covered within the CNU-9 environmental license. With the receipt of ANLA approval, which is the National Authority of Environmental Licenses, the company has commenced efforts for these surface construction projects. 22 wells for drilling. This is the news, huge news, following the company's press release on September 10th, 2021, which announced receipt of the CNU-9 environmental license. The company's management team has decided to start the CNU-9 Phase 1 drilling campaign in the northern area of the field, otherwise known as the North Area, as it is the most prospective area from a resource standpoint, with an access road already in place, requiring less time for initial civil work before drilling operations commence. Accordingly, the first two wells in the company's fully funded 4-well drill program will be focused in the North Area, according to the resource report released by Petrotech Engineering Limited earlier this year, dated December 31st, 2020. 54.4 BCF of unrisked contingent resources and 269 BCF of unrisked prospective resources at 100% WI were confirmed in the North Area. The company has commenced design planning for modifications to the existing road and construction of the new pad in anticipation of the drilling of the Hechizo Norte-1 well, which will immediately be followed by the drilling of the Hechizo Este-1 well in the first month of 2022. Under the direction of CPVEN, a suitable drilling rig has been contracted and all steps in relation to drilling permits through the national authorities is underway. This is big news for NG Energy and GASX. Executive Chairman Ronald Pantin commented, "We as a management team are very excited to advance our work on the CNU-9 block. Our refined exploration program is based on the area with the highest number of contingent and prospective resources, reducing exploration risk. The program is based on the results of the production tests on Hechizo 1 in 1992 and on strong evidence of gas-bearing formations due to the presence of AVO interpretations with several flat and bright spots." So these are the zones. I'm going to show you guys what these zones look like right now, actually. We'll go through all the zones. You like the news, Amanda? Amanda says, "Stoked for this news. I remember the first brought this to the trading club members. It was at around 115. Not sure those levels will come again. What a monster." Yeah, anytime you see news of drilling for companies that are doing mining, any type of mining and any type of drilling is extremely bullish, okay? Extremely bullish. So as the market opens up, what I want to do is I want to show you guys this news. All right, let me show you guys this news. All right, here it is. So it looks like this. So these are the zones and the regions that they are going to be doing their drilling. As you can see, these are the regions and the zones. Maria Conchita loan conversion in accordance with the terms of the Aruchara loan entered in company in December 2019 for debt proceeds of US 1.6 million. The lenders have opted to exercise their option to convert the balance of the outstanding loan, being the loan principal and accumulated interest since inception, to a 2.5% overriding royalty on the company's beneficial interest of petroleum and natural gas produced from Maria Conchita block. With this option exercised by the lenders, the balance of the Urachara loan is considered settled with no further financial obligations to the lenders retained by the company. So that's the news. Oh, wow. Some of you guys are holding some big positions. I didn't even realize that. All right. That's nice to see you guys are holding big positions like that. I always like to see that. And we'll keep the market open so we can see how it trades. As the market opens, we will see exactly how it trades. All right. Wow, you're holding 32,000 shares. Best regards, Rich Shanks. Hey, shout out to Shanks. You're a living legend, one of our members of our trading club, holding 32,000 shares of GASX. What price did you get in, brother? Did you get in when we told you first at $1.10? All right, next big stock is AMC. I feel it's going to hit 200 at the end of December. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I totally disagree, but I wish you the best of luck with that. I wouldn't be touching AMC, but that's just me. That's just a hype stock with tons of debt, and they cannot even justify $30 share price, let alone a $200 share price. So I disagree with your opinion. You're definitely allowed to have an opinion. Thank you for sharing your opinion. I don't share it, and I won't be buying AMC. All right, so let me just break down the rest of this news here. So about NG Energy International Corp. NG Energy International Corp is a publicly traded E&P company on a mission to provide a clean and sustainable solution to Colombia's energy needs. Company intends on executing the mission by producing and bringing gas to the premium priced Colombian gas market from its concessions. CNU9, a 311,353 acre block. Wow, 311,353 acres block, which is adjacent to Canacol's Nelson's Field, as well as Maria Conchita, a 32,518 acre block located in the region of Gloria. NGE's team has extensive technical expertise and a proven track record of building companies and creating value in South America. So big news. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about GASX stats. We always like to break down the fundamentals of the company. So right off the bat, GASX share structure. So they have a market cap of 204 million, a 204 million market cap, and 119 million shares listed, issued, and outstanding. So a decent share structure and a reasonable market cap for a growing company. Shank says, thanks, Amanda. I'm pretty happy with my entry. I think this baby will have a nice run in December and give us nice profits. Yeah, I think that the upside is tremendous for this company. I think that there's huge potential. And let's see how it trades today on this news. Obviously, the market is just starting to open up, and we're going to start to see exactly how GASX is going to trade today. GASX in Canada, GASXF in America. Let's just see if it's trading on Webull. Let's see if there's any update on the price here on Webull. All right. GASX. All right. So the market is just starting to open up. And if you guys see any price movement, please let me know. Some of these free platforms are delayed initially. So in about a few minutes, they will start to trade and we'll get a better feel for exactly how they're trading and how they're doing today on this news. So you can see the trend is clearly trending up, has been higher, has pulled back. And let's take a look at their website as well. Let's quickly take a look at their website. All right. So this is the NG Energy website, fueling Colombia's clean energy transition. You can learn more about the company on their website at ngenergyintl.com. So this is an overview of NG Energy's Colombian natural gas blocks. These are the areas of focus. Now, I don't know too much about Colombia, but from what I've heard, this company has incredible potential in these regions. And you can see a breakdown of the projects. Natural gas supports the integration of variable renewable electricity generation because it can quickly compensate for dips in solar or wind power supply and rapidly respond to sudden increases in demand. Natural gas is a good partner for hydropower, providing a secure electricity supply where there is insufficient rainfall. You can see all the latest news and you can sign up for alerts. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. Sign up for alerts. All right. I've just signed up for alerts, and investors can go into the investor presentation center. I'm not going to go through all of that right now. I just wanted to break down all the news, but I wanted to make sure everyone is aware of the stock. And it's also listed in Frankfurt, Germany under the symbol 56PQ. Also on Frankfurt, Germany under the symbol 56PQ. Let's see if it's 56PQ. 56PQ. Let's show up here. NG Energy. Oh, there we go. There it is, 56P. So that's the Frankfurt, Germany listing, currently at $1.20 in Frankfurt, Germany. This is what it looks like in Frankfurt, Germany. And we've got a lot of members from Frankfurt, Germany in our trading community, in our trading club as well. So you can see that this has been very bullish in all three major markets. Obviously, we've got members in all three major markets. This has been trending up. Obviously, we're not going to tell you to buy it. We don't tell you to buy anything here. What we want you to do is put on your radar, put on your watch list, and let us know what you think about this pick that I think has so much potential. Absolutely so much potential. You can go to their website, learn more about the company, and let's just see. We click on our company, see what they have to say here. So you can see here, Colombian-based management team with significant in-country experience, strong technical experience with Colombian basins, strong capital markets experience, having led large public resource companies in the past. So you can see here, Ronald Pantin is the executive chairman, and Serafino Lacono is the chief executive officer and director. I've spoken to Serafino myself, very impressed with him. Maria Nella Bernal Parada is the chief financial officer. Vincenzo Paglioni is the vice president planning. And you can see additional board members and directors with lots and lots of experience. And one of the key members that's heavily involved in this deal that they're not mentioning here, and he owns a big chunk of this company, is Frank Justra, who is a legend in the mining space. You can also follow them on social media. Let's see what they look like on LinkedIn. I'm now following them on LinkedIn. All right. You can follow them on Twitter. And this is how I do it, guys. I follow companies. I watch them. I watch their every move. I watch their news. We interview the companies. We feel like this gives us a huge advantage because we get an idea of what's going on with the company. And we also get a chance to speak to a lot of early stage undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, early stage companies before they explode. Not every company is going to explode. So you got to be very selective as a trader, invest in the best. The best is blessed. And this is a company that I think, NG Energy, that has a chance to be the best. But as you can see here, they don't have a huge following. So this is still early. And I think that the upside is tremendous. And I know that there's a lot of members in our club that believe that this could be a future $5 stock. And we're under $2 in Canada right now. So the upside is still very much tremendous. And you can see here, there isn't a huge following all over social media yet. So in my opinion, that opportunity is still there for us. Okay, as we can see here, I think a little bit of price movement starting to happen in the market. So as the market now opens up, we will start to hopefully see some price movement. And I'd love to know your guys' opinion on NG Energy International Corp, GASX in Canada, GASXF in America, and 5-6P in Frankfurt, Germany. Love to know what you guys think about this pick. Comment on the video, share the video everywhere, subscribe if you're live, and let me know what you think about this news on NG Energy International. All right. Let's see. We can also see here with the measuring stick that it has been up from its lows all the way up to its highs. So this is already up in the last year, 100. It's been up to its highs about 195%. You can see it's actually up right now at $1.73, up 1%. So it is starting to climb up a little bit on this news. I think everybody should be aware of it. You can see it's up in the last 322 days. So in the last year, it's been up as much as 195%. Up to today's prices, 173. It's currently up 143% on the year. So it's been a big winner. I'm not suggesting you buy at these levels, but I think you need to put it on your radar, put on your watch list. If you can add it on dips, I think it has a chance to be a big winner for our investors, our investing community. And like I said, I brought it at $1.11 in Canada, currently sitting at $1.73. So it's already up around 50% for our community, for those that got in early. And you can see here in the US, up slightly as well, currently at $1.36. So thank you guys for watching. Love to know what you guys think about these videos. Comment on the video. Let me know what you guys think about this news. Now remember, here on Rich TV Live, we love to bring you winners, and we love to bring them to you first. You can join our community at richpigsdaily.com. Join our club absolutely free, or upgrade and become a VIP member. Get access to live trading every week. Get access to 100 hours of proprietary trading information and education. Get behind the scenes information on CEO interviews and different early stage deals that we are identifying on a daily basis, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Get access to trade ideas in stocks and cryptocurrencies, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Exclusive Telegram chats, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's true. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. I think this is a pick that has a chance to be an absolute rocket. And you know what we talk about with rockets? Put those rockets in your pockets. It's what we do best. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring in the winners, and we bring them to you first. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting here, the club and the membership and the community at Rich TV Live. Without you, the community, the people, none of this is possible. I know it's early in the morning here on the West Coast. Thank you guys for being here with me early in the morning. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live with the big news on NG Energy International, GASX in Canada, GASXF in America. Put on your watch list, put on your radar. We think it has a chance to be a huge winner, not just for the rest of 2021, but in 2022 and beyond. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Hey, thank you, Amanda. We'll see you soon.